Hello guys, welcome to Statistics by Swan. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. This channel fully focused on the biostatistics related data analysis and data visualization video post on this channel. If you like this channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. Okay, now we are the discussion topic for how to combine two FTR graph in one graph on GraphPad Prism software. So open the GraphPad Prism software. The FTIR data already entered in the Excel sheet. The take for the A column is a wave number and the two graph the transmit A and transmit B. The data import to the GraphPad Prism software. So select the three column, copy the data and open the GraphPad Prism software. Then click to the XHS column and right click paste the data. So the XS is a wave number, group A is a transmit A and delete for the group B column. So select the group B, right click and delete the column. Then open the new data table. Click to the new data table and select for the XY data table. Select options for the X numbers and Y options. Enter and plot a single Y column each point. Select the options and click to the create the button. Then same method, the paste the data and delete for the A column. Okay, the data one is a transmit A and data 2 is a transmit B. So now created for the graph for the data sheet 1. So the below the options select for the graph data 1. Select the options, then change for the graph type is a graph family is a XY. Select for the third one options in the connecting line only. So click to the OK button, then create it for the data sheet 1 graph FTR. So then click the graph data 2 sheet. The same options selected for the XY and select the third one options for the line graph. Click to the OK button. So the created for the data sheet 2 and data sheet 1 graph. Now customize the data sheet 1 and data sheet 2 for the FTR graph. So combined for the two graph, select for the new layout options. So click to the new layout options. Open the new tab for the create new layout. Select for the first one options. Then click to the OK button. So the please a graph here. Double click or the track and the graph. So double click. Select for the data 1. Then click to the OK. So graph is visible for the new layout 1. Then drag and drop to the data sheet 2. So trap the data sheet 2. The same 2 FTR graph in one sheet. So now the customized for the each graph data sheet and same customize options change to the new layout options. So go to the data table 2 graph. Now the customized option for the FTR graph. So first of all selected for the XHS. So go to the format X options. Okay. Select to the XHS options and graph and direction option selected the revise. Then apply. The change for the graph options for the revise in the XHS 5000 to 0. So the unclick for the automatic options. Change to the minimum 350 to maximum 4000. Then click to apply. Change for the 350 to 4000. So the matrix interval level for the 1000 to 500 change. Then apply. Change to the location numerical labels options below vertical. So change to the below vertical, the 350 to 4000s, and go to the y-axis label. The changes for the frame and origin options. Go to the hind axis options, hind y and show the x option selected, then apply. Okay, then selected for the x-axis range for the 8 centimeter, accurately selected the 8 centimeter. Okay, then delete for the transmit options and data sheet 2 options. Then double click the graph format options option, show the legend options, apply. Then change to the color for the show the connecting line is graph 2 FTIR graph 2, change to the green color, then apply. Click to the OK, then move to the transmit options, select the whole the graph, change to the font is a Time Roman, font size is a 12, and the select for the x-axis the range, font size is a 10. Okay, then move to the graph 1 data 1, same customized options, hind y and show the x options. Move to the x-axis and click to the revise, apply, and the unclick for the automatic, minimum 350, maximum 4000, then apply. Then the location, the numerical, change to the below vertical and the matrix interval 500, then apply. And the graph 2, so small correction for the hind both x and y options. Okay, then delete the wave number, double click the graph, open the graph format, change to the color for the line and show the legend options, then apply. Okay, then move the legend options, select the graph, change to the font Time Roman and 12, then go to the layout options. Okay, then move for the data sheet 1 graph. Okay, if you want the width increased for this graph, double click and the thickness is a 1, apply. Then graph 2 thick thickness is a 1, then okay. Okay, this is the method for the combined 2 FTIR graph in one graph showed for the GraphPad Prism software. Select the 2 graph and right click to the group options, so the group for the this graph. Okay, this is a method for the combined 2 graph in one graph for the GraphPad Prism software. And if you want the FTIR data source file, I will upload for our Blogger page. That Blogger page link mentioned to the this video description box. And Any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. And if you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.